All right, so let me go ahead and take you right inside Robo Contact and show you exactly how this works and how it can help your business. So here we are on the inside of Robo Contact right here. And I'm looking at a campaign that I literally just ran for dry cleaners in New York, New York. All right. So now, as you can see, literally it has brought me back a whole list of dry cleaners here. And basically I have the name of that dry cleaner, have their address, have the location where they're at. I have their website. I've got their phone number. I've got whatever email addresses I can find for them. I've got all their social media links that were found for them. I can see whether they're using any pixels or not. This one's using a Google Pixel. Down here, they're using a Facebook Pixel. I can see if they have SSL enabled or not for their website. I can see what their Google star rating is, and I can literally see if I found any contact form on their website. Here is their Facebook page right here. So this makes it really easy in my marketing where I can go in and look and see, okay, hey, let's say I'm selling chatbots. I can literally go in and see, hey, are these guys using a chatbot? I can see they're not. Let's say that what I'm doing is I am trying to see if these guys are actually running Facebook ads. So I can go to the page transparency and I can literally go in and look and see if they're running any ads. And I can see, okay, hey, they're not running any ads. So, and I can get that easily from here. So I'm going to go through the process again and just kind of show you a campaign being created. So we're going to create a campaign and we're just going to call this Pet Stores. And we're going to search in my hometown of Lakeland, Florida. And we're going to put in pet shop. All right. So you're going to give the location, and you can add multiple locations. You can add multiple keywords so that you can search a much broader area if you want. So then what you're going to do is you're going to give an email message group, and I'm just going to pick one randomly. You're going to give a contact message group. I'm going to pick one randomly. You're going to give a profile group. I'm going to pick one randomly. You can turn email filters on or off if you want. So you can basically go in and decide, hey, certain types of emails like .gov or .edu emails, I want to filter those out. You can kind of have a whole lot of different options on your campaign. And this is all explained in the training. So I'm going to show you just in a second in the dashboard. There's a full training module that shows you everything that you need to know. How do you want to contact the leads? Do you want to send them an email and fill out contact us form? Do you want to send them an email only when the form is not submitted? Do you only want to send out an email and not fill out a contact us form? Do you want to submit the contact us form only? You can even add a delay so that whenever you're sending out emails, you can drip them out, and you're only sending out one email every 5 minutes or one email an hour. And we've got a Zapier integration. You can send a Zapier, all sorts of functionality here. So you're just going to hit run, and then literally what Robo Contact is going to do is it is going to actually go out and run that campaign. It's going to find all your leads for you. So it's going to go in and just basically find all your leads. Now, if you look on the home page, you'll see we have a full training tab here, and this training tab literally goes through every single thing that you need to know about Robo Contact. So the first thing that we recommend that you do is literally just go to this training tab, go through the training that we've created for you so that you can use this successfully in your business, and it will help you grow your business just like it literally helped me grow my business from 6 engineers to now over 40 full-time employees that work here at our company. That literally we built this through Robo Contact. We were able to scale our company through Robo Contact. All right. So while this campaign runs, I'm just going to kind of explain everything to you. All right. Now, I did show you that basically what Robo Contact does is it goes out to Google My Businesses. It finds all the businesses that you're looking for, and it's going to give you a whole list of businesses. Now, it is going to take a couple minutes for it to go out, find all those businesses, and essentially then go back out to the internet, find their phone number, find their website, find their address, find out their social media profiles, check their website, see if they're using any type of retargeting pixel, see if they have SSL enabled, and find out what their Google star rating is, and compile all this additional information that you really want about these businesses. So while it goes in and actually does that, what you're going to want to do is essentially you're going to want to go in and create your contact us messages. Now, these contact us messages, these are literally going to be the messages that are going to be sent out automatically to the contact us forms on the website of the leads that are found for you, all right? So you can go in and essentially create a group of messages. You can have as many messages that you want, and what our system will do will essentially round robin through those messages so you can see which ones are working good for you. You also want to go in and set up your email groups. These email groups are going to contain the email messages that are going to be sent out to the email addresses that are found for the leads, all right? So when we find their email addresses, if you want to send out emails, then the emails that are going to go out are going to be inside this email group. You're going to want to go in and essentially set up, your profiles. Now your profiles are, who are you generating the leads for? Maybe you're generating the lead for yourself. Maybe you're generating leads for your clients. So you're going to go in and actually set up the profiles, and you'll give their name, their website, their phone number, their email signature. You'll connect their email so that you can essentially send out emails on their behalf. And just like the email groups and the Contact Us message groups, you can create multiple profiles and add them to a group, and we're literally going to go in and we're going to actually round robin between those people. Then you're going to want to go in and you're going to want to actually set up your email filters. Your email filters will allow you to filter out certain types of emails. You can see that I'm filtering out .gov, .in, and .us. You could go in and add more filters like .edu or any type of filters. You could go in and add a filter, no reply. Or you could go in and add a filter, reply all, and that will literally filter out any email address that you find like that, all right? And like I said, once RoboContact does its job, you'll be able to go in and you'll be able to just look at your campaign. Here was that dry cleaners campaign, and you'll be able to see all the information. And then you'll literally, if you want to process this campaign and start actually sending out emails and automatically submitting Contact Us forms on autopilot, you can just click everybody that you want to process, and you can go ahead and just click this button. Whenever I do this, it's going to process 7 Contact Us forms, and it's going to send out 18 emails on autopilot for me, all right? Now, I want you to remember whenever you run your campaign, all right, I didn't do it for these campaigns, but whenever you run your campaign, you can literally go in and you can run this immediately after the search. So what that means is as soon as we run the search and we find all your leads, it will automatically process the campaign for you so that you don't have to come back and process the campaign. That is your option. However, you can go in there and decide, hey, you can go in there and decide, hey, how do you want to look? Now, if you look, I've already found several different pet stores right here in Lakeland, and it's already given me their information where I can go in and actually see them. But RoboContact's still out doing its job, and it's still out finding more and more people. All right. So this is essentially how RoboContact works. It goes in and it will find your target customer. All right. So whoever your target customer are, if they are a B2B business, if they have a Google My Business listing, we're going to be able to find them in RoboContact, and you will be able to automate your lead generation and your cold outreach. So that is exactly how RoboContact works.